Hi, it's Dreadwas here, and I help six-figure recruitment and search firm owners scale even faster. And one of the things that's been coming up quite a lot when speaking to recruitment and search firm owners is the subject of websites, right? And so what you find is that, I mean, most people nowadays understand that if they want to sort of grow their business, one of the ways to do that is by having a web presence. And you hear sort of talk about online marketing, digital marketing, social media, all that kind of stuff, and having a website sort of fits into that mix. So the big problem is, for the majority of recruitment and search firm owners, their website does nothing. It just sits there. No one really sees it. No one really engages with it. It's nothing. It's pointless. And the big problem is they end up spending thousands of pounds to build this website, one that actually looks really good, looks pretty. They get a good designer to work on it, has all the sort of bells and whistles, but they can't really attribute any financial return to the money they spent on it. And the reason this happens is because, although yes, it's important that you have a website, there are websites that are effectively online brochures, and there are websites that are designed to generate leads, and they're two very different things. And what you find is that most web designers are really good at building a website that looks good. They're really good at building a website that visually looks really, really good, really professional, does all the things that you might think that you want in a website. But their skill is designing, it's not marketing, right? A website that's going to actually generate revenue for your business isn't necessarily one that the designer would make, unless they have a background in marketing, right? So once you've got a website, two things need to happen. One, you need multiple ways of getting visitors to your website. So if you've got a website right now, and even if it would generate leads if people saw it, if you're not getting anyone there, if no one sees it, no one knows it's there, it's pointless. But by the same token, even if you were getting people to your website right now, would it do the job that you want it to do? Would people hit your website and immediately have the ability to raise their hand and express an interest in what you do? And the answer for most recruitment and search firm owners is no. So one, they're not getting enough traffic, no one's seeing their website. But two, even the few people that do see their website, they're doing nothing. They're perhaps viewing it, perhaps looking at a few pages, but there's no direct, nothing happens after that. There's no phone call, there's no email, nothing happens. They just view the website and they go elsewhere. And they're probably viewing multiple websites and doing of recruiters in your space and doing the same thing. So really you want two things. You want to be able to drive traffic to your website, and also you want a website that is able to convert anyone that goes there into leads. So this is one of the things that we help the recruiters who come through our programs do. And if you're a recruitment search firm owner and you already have a website, but you don't really get much from it, so perhaps it's there, so either no one sees it, you know that your ideal clients don't really go and look at it and they don't know it exists, or they are seeing it but none of them are converting into new inquiries or new business, then send me a private message. We can have a quick chat, have a quick look at your website, what you're doing now, and I can share with you what some of our best clients are doing to generate leads and attract clients using their website. So drop me a message and we can have a quick talk about it.